everyone, we're going to graph the system of linear inequalities, determine if it's bounded or unbounded, and also label the corner points of the bounded region, or unbounded, but in this case it's going to be bounded. We have these two here, y is greater than or equal to 0 and x is greater than or equal to 0. That just tells us that we're in quadrant 1. So basically in quadrant 1 we're bounded by. And then these two we're going to use x and y intercepts to help us graph. So the first two just tells us that we're going to be bounded here in quadrant 1. So all the shading should occur in quadrant 1. So that satisfies that. That means we'll be shading this way. Now the other two, we have x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 1. So when x is 0, y is going to be 1/2. And when y is 0, x is going to be 1. So I'm just going to graph that. So way down here, close to the origin here, something like that. And it says it's greater than 1. So if I plug in 0, 0, that's not greater than or equal to 1. So therefore we're going to be shading up, away from our origin. So we're in this area so far. And we have one more that we're going to graph, which is x plus 2y is less than or equal to 10. So when x is 0, y is 5. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when y is 0, x is 10. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Whoops. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right in here. All right. So you graph that. Let's see if I can do this. All right. Something like that. Get the idea. All right. And it says it's less than 10. So anytime it says less than, that means you're going to shade down or left. So we're shading like downward and left D-ish. All right. So that means this area in here where I put the arrows is where we're going to shade. And you can just do crosshatch type thing. Or you can color the whole thing in. I'll just crosshatch it here. And that is your area. So the corner points on this one is fairly easy. It's not that one. It's right here at the 1/2. I don't like what I did. So let me fix that. So it's going to be right here. And my intercepts here. So my y-intercepts were 0, 1/2 and 0, 5. And my x-intercepts were 1, 0. And, of course, y'all saw that, right? This was 10, 0. So those are your 10 corner points. And it is bounded. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.